Hello kabayan, tag-init na naman no? But don't worry, I'll give you tips on how to beat the summer heat here in Japan. Of course, stay hydrated. Always drink water. Second, refresh yourself by using body sheets or body wipes o di kaya tinatawag na Reikan Shito dito sa Japan. Third, neck towel or cool towel, same as body wipes, pero ang pinakaibahan lang para ito sa ating neck. At pwede itong tumagal ng ilang oras as long as basa pa siya.
Sunscreen protection to avoid skin cancer.
Third, syempre ayaw nating umitim, di ba? So, always use screen protection na may SPF 50+++. Fifth, para sa mga kagaya kong pawisin, use cooling body spray. Lastly, portable fan. Yun lang. I hope nakatulong.